Welcome. If you want to make your Pinterest profile public on your PC using the new app update, I'm here to guide you through the simple steps. First, open the Pinterest app on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on your main page, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This icon opens your account settings where you can customize many aspects of your Pinterest experience. Next, in the settings menu, find and click on Profile Visibility. This section controls who can see your profile and pins. Here, you will see the option called Private Profile. To make your profile public, simply disable the Private Profile toggle. When this switches off, your profile and pins become visible to everyone on Pinterest. This means anyone can explore your boards and follow your updates without restrictions. After turning off the Private Profile setting, your changes will apply immediately, and your Pinterest presence will be open to the wider community. This is especially useful if you want to grow your audience or share your collections publicly. Just remember, if your profile is public, all your pins and boards are accessible, so make sure you're comfortable with that level of visibility. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, open the app, click the gear icon, head to Settings, enter Profile Visibility, and disable Private Profile. You've made your Pinterest account public on PC using the new update. Thanks for watching.